Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to check deleted posts in Facebook Recycle Bin. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right of your screen. Tap on the settings icon. Scroll down to your activity and tap on Activity Log. Tap on Recycle Bin at the top of your screen. Here you can see all your deleted posts. Tap on the three vertical dots right next to the post. To check the post, simply tap on View. And that's it. This is how you check deleted posts in Facebook Recycle Bin. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.